In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to sync Fresha with Google Calendar, providing you with a full guide for 2025. Let's dive right in and make scheduling your appointments more seamless and efficient. To start, you'll first need to navigate to your calendar sync settings. Begin by logging into your Fresha account. Once you're in, you'll see your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of your dashboard. Simply give that icon a tap and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Workspaces. This will take you to a page listing all the workspaces you manage or are a part of. After accessing the Workspaces page, locate the specific workspace you wish to sync with your Google Calendar. You'll notice a Manage button next to each workspace name. Click this button for the workspace you want to synchronize. At this point, you should see an option labeled Sync a Calendar. Clicking this will initiate the setup process for calendar synchronization. Next up is choosing the calendar you wish to sync. Among the options available, you'll be focusing on integrating with Google Calendar. Select it to proceed. Now, if you haven't already linked your Google account with Fresha, the system will prompt you to authenticate your account. This step is crucial as it ensures that your calendar data can be securely shared between the two services. For authentication, you'll likely be asked to sign in to your Google account. Make sure that you are logging into the correct Google account, the one you want your Fresha appointments to appear on. Follow the instructions that Google provides, which often involve verifying your identity through email or text message codes, depending on your security settings. Once you've successfully authenticated your Google account, the final step is to complete the sync. You'll see a confirmation page summarizing the integration details. Check it over to ensure all information is correct. When you're satisfied, click the Finish or equivalent button. This will finalize the setup and link your Fresha account with your Google Calendar. Congratulations, you've now synced Fresha with Google Calendar. This integration will allow your appointments to automatically appear on your Google Calendar, helping you manage your schedule more effectively. Remember, regular checking of both platforms is advised to ensure everything remains in sync and to avoid any potential scheduling conflicts. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial on syncing Fresha with Google Calendar. If you found this guide helpful, please feel free to share it with others who might benefit from the integration. Also, don't hesitate to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Stay tuned for more useful guides and happy scheduling.